Welcome to this step-by-step guide on creating a high-quality CGI ad for your product using AI tools. Whether you're promoting a new item or enhancing your brand's visual appeal, this process will help you generate a stunning AI-powered ad in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, go to Flair.ai link available in description and click on Try for free. Sign in using your Google account or email to access the platform. Once logged in, click on New Project and use the drag and drop model to upload your product image. If your product is already uploaded, simply drag it into the canvas. Click on Edit and use the background removal tool to isolate your product, making it stand out. Next, browse the available templates and choose one that best suits your product's theme. I will select this one. Click on Generate and wait a few minutes for the AI to process your enhanced product image. Once it's ready, click Download to save the final version. Now move on to the next step, generating your AI powered ad. Go to Adobe Firefly link in description and click on Create with Firefly. Sign in using your Google account and select Text to Video. Accept the terms by clicking Agree and then click on Try Now. In the Frame tab, upload the product image you just created. Next, write a detailed script for your ad, describing your product's features, benefits, and any animations or effects you want to apply. Click Generate to let Adobe Firefly process the video. The system will take a few moments to animate your product, apply transitions, and enhance visual effects. Once the CGI ad is generated, review it carefully. If you want a different style, simply regenerate the ad using new settings. When you're satisfied with the final result, click Download to save your fully animated product ad. And that's it. You've successfully created a high quality CGI ad using AI powered tools. Now go ahead and showcase your stunning CGI ad to the world.